So I was working on some other stuff about animation, and I figured out that I needed something to simplify my keyframes, because you can see here it's very dense. I had already wanted to work with bones, but as I'm working with objects, I found that it would be useful to rip off some part of the set for the humans that I already had working and make it work for objects. So that's what I did with this simplify frames. If you see, it's very dense here, but for example, if I want just this main frames here, I can select with a marker, letter M, and select the parts that I want the most. And by having them, I just press simplify, and you see here the other frames went away. You can undo with Ctrl Z, and you can use this button to clear the markers, and it's done. And that's basically it. Bye bye.